If you're like most people, you will eventually experience back, hip, knee pain, or all of the above. I'm about to show you a fun and simple home exercise that can help keep your knees, hips, pelvis, and low back happier and healthier. Because the biggest mistake we can make is ignoring pain, hoping it will go away, trying to cover it up with over-the-counter remedies, then maybe stepping up to prescription medications or pain management injections, physical therapy, and ultimately surgery. After my last knee surgery left me with permanent nerve damage, I wasn't interested in repeating that mistake on my hip or my low back. Luckily, I discovered specific chiropractic care that never requires a back crack, but instead relieves tension and restores balance and coordination. Over the years, I've also discovered some useful therapies and rehabilitation exercises that have kept me off the operating table for over 40 years. And one of my favorite stress busters for the knee, hip, and low back is Hula. When you isolate the pelvic undulation, you put the right kind of dynamic stress on all the connective tissues between the knees, hips, pelvis, and low back. It feels good and it's fun. But please remember, this is just homework and it doesn't take the place of a functional evaluation and appropriate chiropractic treatment to reestablish normal joint, muscle, and nerve function. So schedule your better than money back guaranteed consultation now.